guys, nasa niabot na pagkaon karon o ato ning susihon kung kinsa ni. Sa asa ni bay?
Sa kwan sir, sa Bicester Cafe sir, giveaway sir.
Kay anniversary na ninyo di ba?
Yes sir.
O ikapila ninyo anniversary?
3rd anniversary sir.
O so asa gining Bicester Cafe?
Sa kwan, sa in front sa Pope John Paul San Carlos Seminary.
O so sa Juan Luna na bay. O yeah. O mao ni Bicester 3. So okay, mao ni atong kanon karong udto bay. Alright, thank you so much bay.
Thank you, sir.
So open na bang Bicester bay?
Yes sir, from Monday to Saturday.
Unsa man na open gyud ang cafe?
Yes sir, open na na.
Pwede na dine in?
7 a.m. to 4:30 p.m.
So pwede na dine in ha?
Yes sir, pwede na sir.
Alright, so pwede sad mo deliver, di ba? Unsa man mo damos mga
Yes
apps?
sir. Nami dine in in-house delivery na pag sa Grab
Ah.
sa Panda.
Alright, so check out Bicester ha? Okay.
Thank you sir.
More details nasa atong description niya. Sige, bye. Thank you. Bye. So guys, Bicester turns 3. Dayon, they just sent me some awesome food, guys. And Moni, let's start with this drink because you choose happiness. This is a matcha drink. And yeah, I'm pretty sure this will make me happy. But let's look at the food, bye. Because in Bicester, they open at 7. So they serve breakfast. And they serve breakfast all day actually. So I'll show you some amazing breakfast goodies na ilang ipada sa ako. This one's the Chorizo Omelette. Chorizo. Chorizo. Kita mo? Chorizo. With carrots, potatoes, and eggs. And of course, kanitong Tapa rice. I miss tapsilog bay. And then, they just sent me tapsilog bay. Napri suka pag yun. So now I'm so excited. I'm so excited to eat breakfast at lunch. So mana, let's dig in, guys.
I want to be daring, baby, dance the night away. I let my head down if I want. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I want to be silly, baby, dance the night away. I'll kick my shoes off if I want. Let yourself be free and maybe you will find that there is more to life than being pretty. Honey, let's just face it. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better.
Guys, enjoy yung kayo ng Bicester, guys. Ilang ipadaan ako na breakfast. The chorizo omelette and the beef tapa. Kato. Wow, lami. And yes, they are one of the best breakfast places in Cebu right now. If you wanna check them out, naroon na sa Juan Luna sa Mahogany Place. And kung ano na, open na sad sila, and then you can enjoy some of their delicious coffee and drinks, mga concoctions nila. Lami gina, but they have one of the best yun na mga pagkaon when it comes to cafes. Apil nila sa mga maayo good pagkaon. It's a good place to hang out after before to work and to do something. Live internet by then you just have food and coffee for short meetings, perfect na siya. But right now, you should try out their food there. Because ako masuggest ng libron na dito magsigtambay sa, but yes, you can have their food for delivery, and if ever dahil nyo napilian dito, hindi ka magmahay. So check them out. Bicester Cafe, guys. And happy anniversary to them. Kay third year anniversary na nila. So muna, thank you sa inyong ipada na breakfast na ako og happy anniversary. And see you soon. Kaya mabisita ko for sure. Kaya doon lang sa mua. So, thank you so much for watching, guys. And thank you so much for all the support. Yan din, kung mo ka-like sa ilang page, please like Bicester Cafe on Facebook and Instagram. And sa ako naman sa kung ka-subscribe to my channel or like my page as well to get updates on the best places to eat here in Cebu. So, bye, guys!